Shruti. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see Class 8 Science, the balance part of Chapter 1, Crop Production and Management. Preparation of the soil. The preparation of the soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. The earthworms are the farmer's friend. This loosening of the soil allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil. As a result, the soil can breathe properly. There are earthworms in the soil. These organisms are friends of the farmers and they help in adding humus to it. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. We have seen the farmers plowing in the field. What are plows? Plows are made up of wood or iron. The plowed field may have big pieces of crumbs which are to be broken with a plank. The field is leveled for sowing and as well as for irrigation purposes. Agricultural implements are used before sowing the seeds. It is necessary to break the soil to the size of grains to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. The main tools that are used for agriculture are the plow, the hoe and the cultivator. The plow. It is used since the ancient times for tilling the soil, adding fertilizers to the crop, removing the weeds, scraping of the soil, etc. This implement was earlier made by wood and is now being replaced by iron. It is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals like horses, camels, etc. The hoe. Hoe is a simple tool which is used for removing the weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. The cultivator. A tractor-driven cultivator nowadays does the plowing work. The use of cultivators saves labor and time. Now we go to the next process, that is sowing. Sowing is the most important part of the crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Farmers prefer the used seeds which give a high yield. Now, how do we separate the good seeds from the damaged ones? Let us see an activity. Take a beaker, fill it half with water, put a handful of gram seeds and stir well. Wait for some time. You will see that some of the seeds start floating on the water. Damaged seeds become hollow and float. Good seeds settle down. This is a good method for separating good and healthy seed from the damaged one. So, before sowing, let us study about the tools used for the sowing. Traditional tools. The tools used traditionally for sowing seed is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel and they pass down to 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seeds uniformly at the proper distance and depths. It ensures that the soil covers seeds after sowing. This prevents damage caused by the birds. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. An appropriate distance between the seeds is important to avoid overcrowding of the plants. This allows plant to get sufficient nutrients and water from the soil. The next part of this chapter we can see it in the next video. Thank you.